Hello, it's been a hot minute since I've done one of these videos. Just an update. Uh, this is the next game I'm going to be working on, which is a remake of Automania by Microgen, which I think was the first game that starred Wally, or whatever his name is. Everyone's a Wally fame. That great series of games. And I have a couple of videos in the works just now, so I'm still working on Senate. I have a video that's mid-edit for that. That's coming out soon. For those of you asking about the pseudo 3D road, I'm still reading the math on that. So that video is going to be after the micro gen game. But this is the one I'm working on just now. What I'm doing is I'm taking the graphics from the game. I'm using an old program called Spectrum Graphics Editor, which is ancient, but it still works. I think it might be written in Microsoft Foundation classes and C++. I'm not sure. If you're the original author is, let me bring it up here, Richard Jordan. So it's from 1998. So it's a 27-year-old program. Still runs on Windows 11. Still works. So long as it still works, if there's a modern version of it out there, I'll give it a try. But this is what I'm using just now. And what I'm doing is I'm taking all the graphics and then just sort of paste them in here, and then I'm getting the sheets. I was hoping to get a video out tonight with like some code. That's not going to be the case because there's a few things I need to do before I get this going. But I will endeavour to get something out this week with this game. But I just thought I'd show you what the actual game is. So anyway, you play Wally Week, and it's a sort of there's a lot of puns in this, especially if you read the oh no, there you go, that's me dead. And so the idea is that you have a warehouse here that is full of car parts, and you pick up the car parts. Oh, I'm dead. You pick up the car parts and take them to the hoist in the next room, and hopefully I can get to the next room. I've realised as well, I cannot talk and play video games at the same time. Okay, I'm going to go to the left room just now. So if I go to the left room, you'll see that there is a hoist up here, and what you do is you take the car parts from the other room and you make a car here, and then it drives off at the end, I think. And that's pretty much the game. And then there's little sort of like flywheels and things and fans and stuff that sort of fall onto your head, and you have to avoid. There's like engines that run around and so on. And so yeah, that's kind of the game. There's only 2 screens. My idea is that it's a fairly simple game, and it should be relatively straightforward to do in a short period of time, because my goal is to get at least one full thing out before the end of the first half of the year. The second one obviously is to finish the Senate videos, which I'm still working on, and that one should also be out probably towards the end of this week, I think. I just have to edit the video together. Anyway, so that's the next game that I'm working on. Yeah, if you want to know when I'm putting that video out, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye bye.